Getting low marks in NEET tests? The tests in your coaching institute or test series simply assess and leave you frustrated, not knowing how to improve your score. Stop wasting your time with such test series and risking 1 year. Prepare and practice with Ultimate in Test Series, Ultra Test Series for NEET from Career Orbits. Engineered for success, the fastest way to practice for perfection. We help you to systematically build your test taking skills step by step to achieve 600 plus. First, warm up your brain for tests with question bank for each chapter. Learn the correct way to solve different types of questions. Like thousands of our students, now you can also clear your doubts in less than half a minute with detailed step-by-step solutions which are written by top experts. If you forget a concept or definition or key formula, pull out on a click the study note of any concept and revise the concept quickly. Save time and prepare with confidence. We add all questions wrongly attempted by you to your personal revision list. Repeatedly practice these questions with the revision list for perfection. Bookmark important and tricky questions. Practice these questions before the NEET exam for last-minute reconnect with these important questions. Take chapter tests, minor tests, and full syllabus mock tests to systematically develop your test-taking skills and for improving time management during the exam. Get instant result after submitting the test. Check out which questions took you more time so that you can avoid spending extra time on such questions. Check out detailed explanations for all questions which you could not attempt or attempted wrongly for doubt clearance. We add these unattempted and wrongly attempted questions to your flag list. Practice these questions through flag list unlimited times to gain perfection. Bridge the knowledge gap for perfect 600 plus in NEET in a systematic manner. Repeated practice with revision list, bookmark list, and flag list helps you reach a stage where the moment you see a question, you have a clear roadmap in mind as to what is the complexity in the given question, which concept to apply, and which steps to follow. Practice all the given questions, clear your revision list, work on your bookmark and flag list, and you also can achieve 600 plus like these students who used our courses. Take the first step now, register for free and check out what difference our Ultra Test series can make to your NEET preparations.